Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be continuing with the makeup tips for my ladies. So please stick around to the end of this video, because at the end of this video I have a bonus tip for you and you do not want to miss that bonus tip. So stick around throughout the video for my bonus beauty makeup tip for you. So I've given you 5 makeup tips in the previous video and I'm going to give you the remaining 4 today to top it off. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and if you guys are not new, welcome back. Please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have a lot of beauty contents to come, a lot of content coming for you. Please turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified when I post my next video. So if you guys want to hear the remaining 4 makeup tips I have for you, please stick around. Also, if you guys have not seen the previous videos with the 5 tips that I've listed, please go ahead and watch that video because this is a continuation. So I'm gonna jump right into it to give you number 6. So tip number 6 is to always use a bronzer. Always use a bronzer to add warmth to your face and apply it on your face to the area where the sun naturally hits. Yes, tip number 6 is to always use a bronzer to add warmth and add it to the area of your face where the sun naturally hits. So tip number 7 is to always fill in your eyebrows. Whether you want to do it yourself or you want to go to the shop to get it tinted or groomed, but always groom your eyebrow by filling them in. That can help to make your face and to make your eyes pop and your face look more defined. I love to do my eyebrow and I do my own eyebrows. I know they're not that perfect, but I do them myself and I've practiced over and over and over to just fill in my eyebrows, and I've become better than years before or months before. So I'm getting better. So always fill in your eyebrow so you can make your eyes popped and make your face look more defined. So that's tip number 7. So tip number 8 is to use eyeliner. Eyeliner can help to define your eyes. You can either use a pencil eyeliner or the liquid one to create a range of look to make your eyes pop. Always use eyeliner on your eyes and be creative when using your eyeliner. You can mark your wing or do whatever you feel comfortable doing. So that's tip number 8. So the last tip I have for you, which is number 9, then I'm gonna give you my bonus tip. So the last tip I have for you, which is number 9, is to always use your mascara, which is my favorite. This tip is one of my favorite because I use a lot of mascara because I don't really wear eyelashes unless they are the single ones, but I use my mascara a lot. And a tip for you when applying your mascara is to apply your mascara from the base of your lash to the tip to add length and volume. I don't have a special one that I use. I just use one, and it works for me. I'm wearing one right now, if you can see. So yes, tip number 9 is to always use a mascara on your eyelash and apply it from the base to the tip to add length and volume. And the last tip I have for you is number 10, which is my bonus tip. The last tip I have for you is drum roll. The last tip I have for you, which is number 10, is to always stay beautiful. Just as simple as that. Stay beautiful is my last bonus tip for you. Always remember that you are beautiful and that you are you're perfectly imperfect. You know what I mean? You are beautiful. Stay confident. Walk with your head held high and just know that you're special. So stay beautiful. And thank you guys so much again for watching my video. Please do not forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notification bell, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you guys again so much for watching my video, and I see you guys in my next video.